Today's your first day for the online course, and this course is completely online, which is different than some of your other courses which will have live stream lectures that also accompany your Blackboard material. So this online course can be found in Blackboard. Go to Courses, and then find your online class. So for example, this class is completely online. There will be no live stream lectures associated with it. The lectures will be found in each learning module. So the course is broken up into modules, which are just different sections of learning material. And within each module, you will have lessons. So for module 1, if you click on that, there will be, you can see there's going to be 2 lessons. Here's lesson 1. If you click on lesson 1, it will give you the reading material that you're supposed to do, and it will give you the lecture videos that you need to watch, and it'll tell you how to do the assignments. And in the assignments for this course, the assignments will be done in MyLab's Math or MyLab Statistics. For example, this course is MyLab Math, where you will find all your assignments. So there's a direct link to MyLab Math here. After you've done the reading and watched the videos, you can click on MyLab Math, get to the assignments, and then once you click on the assignments, you will find your assignments. And so here is Module 1 and the assignment for the first lesson. And so when you click on that, you'll see all the problems, and there will be various helps that will guide you through the problems. Over here on the right-hand side, there'll be question helps. Now, one thing to note is you can try these problems an infinite number of times. So even if you miss it, I don't know if this is right or wrong, I haven't even read the question. Even if that's incorrect, you can try again. And sometimes it will say, try again using a similar question. And you need to do that because you can do all of the lesson problems as many times as necessary to get them right. Okay? So, again, on the bottom right, there's a button that says try again. So I can try that again and try to get that right. Okay, so that's where we can find the assignments. The course is completely contained online in the Blackboard shell. You're going to need to do at least one exercise in MyLab Statistics or post a discussion on the discussion board so that I don't mark you as a no-show. So you need to do that within the first couple of days. I'll be sending an email reminding you of that. But I just wanted to make a video for the first day and say welcome, and I hope you enjoy the course, and I will be talking to you soon.